My name is Nubia Renteria, and this is Soyun Moon, and we are both pastry sous chefs here at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. So my job is creating special memories for guests. For us, it can be anything from a special wedding cake to a special dessert, or what we're doing today, which is our sugar globe. And this is really special. We only serve it on New Year's Eve or on very special occasions when the guests request it. So what she's doing now is she's using isomalt sugar, which we have previously melted down. So we boil that to about 220 degrees, and then we cool that down enough so where she can handle it. So even though she is manipulating with her hands, it's really hot. It's still at about 140, 150 degrees. So what she's doing now is she's creating a little indent in the sugar so she can fit the air pump in. So she'll heat the metal part of the air pump, insert it into the sugar, and basically she's sealing it so the air doesn't escape while she's pumping air into it. So we use this huge industrial size hair dryer, but it actually blows cool air, and the cool air slowly cools the outer part of the sugar globe as she pumps air into the center. The sugar has to constantly move and be shaped, if not the sugar pools. She's going around making sure that it's all even, that there's no big chunks of sugar anywhere. So now she will use a hot knife that she heats on the torch. It has to be super hot in order to cut through the sugar. She slowly cuts around, melting as she spins the sugar globe. So this is completely edible 24 karat gold. It's mixed with a little bit of alcohol to make it liquid. We just add that for a little bit more shine. So inside is a s'mores chocolate mousse, chocolate brownie, chocolate mousse, and a toasted marshmallow.